LPG, liquefied petroleum gas TNT, trinitrotoluene RNA, ribonucleic acid CNG, compressed natural gas ADP, adenosine triphosphate RBC, red blood cells/corpuscles ECG, electrocardiogram PVC, polyvinyl chloride RAM, random access memory CFC, chlorofluorocarbon laser, light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation radar, radio detection and ranging aids, acquired immune deficiency syndrome ROM, read-only memory LAN, local area network WWW, World Wide Web DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, sonar, sound navigation and ranging SARS, severe acute respiratory syndrome NTP, network time protocol/normal temperature and pressure RQ, respiratory quotient NPN, negative positive negative PNP, purine nucleoside phosphorylase 1, wide area network CPU, central processing unit BCG, Bacillus calmette-guerin STP, standard temperature and pressure/shielded twisted pair/sodium triple-phosphate/spanning tree protocol ADP, adenosine triphosphate. Kilowatt-hour, kilowatt-hour BTU, British thermal unit LDL, low-density lipoprotein MAF, million acre-feet HDL, hardware description language MCV, mean corpuscular volume UHF, ultra-high frequency LED, light emitting diode LCD, liquid crystal display basic.